Hello all, welcome to Python data types or data structures part 2. In this lecture we can see the next 3 data types or data structures: tuples, sets and dictionaries. So what is tuple? Python tuple. Tuple is another sequence of data types that is similar to list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by comma. Unlike list, tuples are enclosed within parentheses. The main difference between list and tuples are given below. Lists are enclosed in square brackets and their elements and size can be changed, whereas tuples are enclosed in parentheses, that is, say brackets, and tuple once created cannot be updated. Tuples can be thought as read-only list. So tuples can be considered as read-only list in Python. But we can update list whenever we need. We cannot update tuple. Now we can see a tuple example. In the first statement of program, a tuple is declared. Here also you can see the sequence contains data of variable data types. There is string data type, floating point data type and integer type data. In the second statement, again declared a tiny tuple. Print tuple will display the elements of first tuple. Print tuple of 0 prints the first element of the tuple. Print tuple of 1:3 prints the elements of the tuple starting from second location till the third location. Starting from second means from the index location 1, that is from the second element to till the element in the third index location. So we got two elements displayed here. The second element is 786, that is element in the first index location and in the third index location. Print tuple 2:. Here we haven't specified the end index location, so it will display the elements of tuple from the second index location to the end of tuple. Print tiny tuple star 2 will display tuple 2 2 times, that is duplication of tuple is done there. Print tuple plus tiny tuple will display the elements of first tuple first, to which the elements of second tuple is concatenated and displayed. So as an example demonstrating the use of tuple. Now we can see a few built-in methods used in tuple. I haven't covered all the methods, only very few methods are covered here. Once you know to use these methods, every other methods can be used. CMP is a method which is used to compare the elements of two tuples. For example, CMP tuple 1 and tuple 2 is used to compare the elements of tuple 1 and tuple 2. LAN tuple gives the length of the tuple. Max of tuple returns the item from tuple with maximum value. Min of tuple returns the item of the tuple with minimum value. Tuple parameter SEQ converts a list into tuple. So this method is used to convert, where SEQ is a list, we can convert that list to a tuple. Next Python data type or data structure is Python sets. A set is a collection which is unordered, and this is a collection of unique items. In Python, sets are written within curly brackets. Remember, list elements are enclosed in square brackets, set elements are enclosed in C brackets or parentheses, whereas set elements are enclosed within curly brackets. It may have many number of items and they may be of different data types, as in case of list and tuple. Since unordered, we cannot access or change an element of set using indexing or slicing. That's a major difference between sets and other previous two data structures. Here the elements are unordered, so we cannot access an element of set using indexing or slicing. That is, we have access the first element of a list using list of 0 and the last element of list using list of -1. But that technique is not possible, or that operation is not possible in case of set. But we can perform many set operations like union, intersection, difference between two sets, etc. Now we'll see a simple example. Well, in the first statement, we are declaring a set, the set. And you can see the elements are enclosed in curly brackets. Print this set will print the elements of set. And in third and fourth statement, we can see that we are declaring two sets, set 1 and set 2. And in the next statement, we are performing a union operation. Set 3 equal to set 1 dot union of set 2. Here, set 2 gets an answer where the elements of set 2 and set 1 is performed with a union set operation. See the result? Set 3 union set 1 is a content of set 3 which is displayed. So this is how a union operation works. To perform intersection operation, we can use similar method for intersection, and for difference also you can use difference. But one thing to be noted, set 1 dot union set 2 performs what operation? Set 2 union set 1. Next we can see some built-in methods. Add. It adds an element to the set. Clear. It removes all the elements from the set. Copy. Returns a copy of a set. Difference. Returns a set containing difference between two or more sets. And there is another method, difference update. We will see the difference between these two methods, difference and difference update, in the next slide. Removes the items in the set that are also included in another specified set. Discard. Remove a specified item from the set. Intersection. Returns a set that is the intersection of two other sets. Intersection update. Removes the items in the set that are not present in the other specified sets. As disjoin. Returns whether two sets have an intersection or not. If there is intersection, it returns true. A subset returns whether another set contains this set or not. A superset checks if the set contains another set or not. Pop removes an element from the set. Remove removes the specified element from the set. Symmetric difference. Return a set with symmetric differences of two sets. Symmetric underscore difference underscore update. Inserts a symmetric difference from this set and another. Union, as shown before, returns a set containing the union of sets. Update. Update the set with union of this set and others. Now we can see another example where two sets are declared named as set 2 and set 1. See the next statement, set 3 equal to set 1 dot difference of set 3, and we are printing set 3. And in next statement again we are doing a difference operation, set 2 dot difference underscore update of set 1. Print set 2, but we are printing set 2. See the result is same for both operation. But in this statement, we are performing what operation? Set of all elements in set 2 but not in set 1. Set 2 minus set 1, and the result is stored where? In the set 3. So the first answer is a output of set 3 or contents of set 3 is displayed here. But in second case, after performing the difference operation, set 2 is updated. So this statement or this print statement displays the updated contents of set 2. That's the difference between difference method and difference underscore update method. Next comes the Python dictionaries. Python dictionaries are kind of hash table. It is again an unordered collection of key value pairs. A Python key can be almost of any data type. but usually we use numbers or strings. Value, on other hand, can be any arbitrary Python object. Dictionaries are enclosed in curly brackets, and values can be assigned and accessed using square brackets. Here we can see some built-in methods that support dictionary operations. Before that, dictionaries are found in some other languages as associative memories or associative arrays. More than one entry per key is not allowed, and nor duplicate key is allowed in a Python dictionary. When duplicate keys are encountered during assignment, the last assignment is always considered by Python interpreter. And keys are immutable. This means keys can be number, strings or tuple, but it does not permit mutable objects like list. We can see few methods now as shown in the slide. Clear removes all elements from the dictionary. Copy returns a copy of the dictionary. From keys returns a dictionary with specified keys and values. Get return the value of the specified key. Here we can see value Python dictionary containing key value pairs. So with a specified key we can return its value. Items return a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. Keys. This method returns a list containing dictionary's keys. Pop removes the element with specified key. Pop item removes the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary. Set default returns a value of specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with specified value. Update updates the dictionary with specified key value pair. Values returns a list of all values in the dictionary. And thus very important methods are keys and value for initial purposes. Now we can see an example. See, in the first statement, dict equal to simply curly brackets. That is, we are declaring an empty dictionary. And in the second and third statement, we can see we are assigning key or we are creating key value pairs to this dictionary. Here 1 is first key and 2 is second key. And to this key, we are assigning the value, this is 1. So the first key value pair in the dictionary is 1 equal to this is 1. Second key value pair is 2 is equal to this is 2. This is a method of declaring a dictionary. There is another method which is shown here. Here also we are doing the same procedure, but during the first declaration itself, we are creating this key value pair. Here the first key value pair is name, colon, John. That is, name key is assigned value John. The second key value pair is this. Code is assigned value 6734. Third one is DPT equal to sale. So there are 3 key value pairs in the second dictionary. And we can see the result of print operation now. Print dict of 1. What will it do? It will print the value corresponding to the key 1 in the dictionary dict. That is, this is 1. Print dict of 2. What it does? Prints a value of key 2. Print tiny dict. It prints the entire key value pair or entire contents of dictionary tiny dict. Next one, print tinydict.keys. Here we are using the method keys which return only the keys in the particular dictionary. So this print statement prints only keys in the dictionary tinydict. The keys are, we know, name, code and DPT. And the next print statement, print dict.values, print all the values in the dictionary tinydict. And we know the values are John, 6734 and sales. So it's a simple example demonstrating the use of dictionary. Thank you for now.